Good day everyone, still with this cool iconic watch Casio DW290, and in this video I will show you how to adjust or to use the countdown timer. Okay, first we need to move from the timekeeping mode to the timer mode, and to do that press the mode button 1, 2, and now it's in the timer mode TR, and here it still shows the current time from the timekeeping mode. So you don't have to worry about what time is it, you can just take a look at here. Okay, next for the timer you can adjust by pressing this adjust button on the top left, and now it blinks for the hour. You can change the hour value by pressing this one, the start stop button on the top right. So for example, if I want the timer to be 1 hour and 5 minutes and 10 seconds, we can set this one as 1, okay, and then move to the next item, the minute, by pressing this mode button. And now I will change this one to become 5 minutes, and to do that I will press the start stop button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 1, 5. And then if I want the second to become 10 seconds, I press the mode button again, and then press this one 10 times. So I have this setting now, 1 hour, 5 minutes and 10 seconds. And then if I press the mode button again, it will cycle back to the hour, okay. And then this watch also feature the auto repeat, meaning that if the countdown finished, it will repeat again. And to activate the auto repeat, you can press the light button on the adjust mode of the timer. So if I press this light button, it will show this small icon auto, meaning that the auto repeat is active. Okay, and if I want to turn it off, I just press again the light button. So now it looks like this, meaning that the timer will run for 1 hour, 5 minutes and 10 seconds. To exit this adjust mode, press the adjust button once, and you can start the timer by pressing the start stop button on the top right. Okay, now it runs. If you want to pause, just press again the start stop button, and if you want to continue running, press again, and it will count down until the timer is finished. For the countdown timer range, it is from 1 second to 24 hours, and you can also set up the flash alert, which is a cool feature. And to activate that, you can press this mode button to return to the timekeeping mode, okay, and then press this start stop button and hold for several seconds. And now it shows this flash alert icon is active. For now, the countdown timer is running in the background, but we can visit the timer again by pressing this mode button to move to the timer mode. And as we can see that the timer is still counting down. If you want to cancel the countdown timer, it's easy. You can press the start stop button to pause or to stop the countdown, and then press adjust to reset. Just press once, no need to press and hold, and that's it. Okay, that's all for this video about how to set up and use the countdown timer, and hopefully this is useful. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.